It's a 2008 Toyota Highlander. Advanced engineering components include a potent 3.5-liter 270 horsepower V6 engine, electronic stability control, driveline traction control, and 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for 7, a 6-speaker stereo sound system with MP3 capability, multiple airbags, and much more.
Program garage door openers, gates, and lighting systems with HomeLink. Getting into your car is fast and easy with the keyless entry. Great looks, added security, and light control are yours with privacy glass.
Combining the best attributes of sedans and SUVs, this Highlander sets the standard for family transportation. Take it for a test drive today.
Crane Ford Colonel Glenn. We look forward to meeting all your automotive needs. We're conveniently located at 4601 Colonial Glen Plaza Drive in Little Rock, Arkansas.